Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we will be learning about if statements and comparisons. So let's get started. So the first thing is that we are going to make a normal if statement with else if and else. Let's get started. So car equal Ferrari. Year equal 2020. Actually 2021. It doesn't really matter. Now let's get started. If car equal Ferrari and year equal 2021, print nice Ferrari, very new, nice Ferrari, very new. Else if, and this is else if. It's basically like this, but in Python it's a little shorter, so it's Elif. It stands for else if. Anyways, Elif car equal Ferrari and year not 2021. I don't know if this will work. Oh, there's no but function. There's no but statement. Okay. Ferrari, McLaren. If Ferrari and car Elif and Elif McLaren in car and year then print nice McLaren. Okay, you know what? We don't need this year variable thing. It's fine. Elif McLaren in car else print nice car. And Elif, actually we can copy paste this and copy paste in print. Whoa. You have two supercars. Now let's run it, and it will print out nice Ferrari, very new. So if I remove this, actually, you know what? If car equal Ferrari Elif car equal McLaren. Elif car equal Ferrari or McLaren, and this it will say, whoa, you have two supercars. So what if I make this like Ford, like some sort of Ford? It will only say nice car because of the else statement, or it will just throw an error. I think it will throw an error. Actually, never mind. It will just print out nothing. So that is normal if statements. Now let's go for comparisons. My num equal 5. We will use numbers for this comparison. My other num equal 10. So let's say I want to make a nested if statement. So let me use the if statement. If my num equal 5, print the number is 5. If my actually we don't have to use else ifs. So let me tell you the difference between if and elif. So 1 second. Then print the number is either equal to 5 or greater. Then let me run it, and then it will print out the 2. So if I do else if for this one, then it will only print the number is 5. So now if my other num greater than my num, print my other num. Else, actually, you know what? Elif my other num equal my num. Print my other num plus, actually, you know what? My num. Else print my num. So let's run it, and of course this is the one that will be issued because this is 10 and this is 5. So let's say I'm going to make this 10. Then I'm going to run it, and then it's nothing. Wait, I don't know if it's supposed to be nothing. Yeah, yep. 10. Else print my num. And it will print out, it should print out 11. Yep, it's 11. So let me make another comparison using the OR statement. So let me clone this. My other num2 equals 16. If my other num greater than my num, or my num greater than my other num, or my num greater than my other num2, then print at least one of the statements are true. Else print no statement is true. So this will print out at least one of the statements are true. But what if I change this to 9? This will make a whole different story. This will make a whole different story by changing these two to the exact same. It will say no statement is true. But what if they were all true? Or just and my num 8, 10. Wait, 9, 10, 8. All of the statements are true. Else, or only one statement is true. So I'm going to leave this to be working, and then this time I'm going to run. So did I run it correctly? Oh yeah, it's just haven't loaded correctly, properly yet. But anyways, it should be, and as you can see, all of these statements are true. But what if I make one of them false? So 8, 9, this is a whole, well, not a whole different story, but it is a different story. No statement is true, or only one statement is true. And this means that either one of these are true or none are true. So what if I wanted to make a nested if statement? So this is how I make an if statement that is nested. So let me try run it, and it will print if x, it will print above 10 and also above 20. But what if it was above 230, but not above 230? So let's try and see that. above 10 but not above 230. But what if I make it above 230? Then it will just do it here. But if it's lower than 9, then it will not do anything. Actually, you know what? Let me add an else statement to it. Else print if this was my IQ, I would be dumb. So let's run it now, and it will print out if this was my IQ, I would be so what if it was like 9.9999999999999, then it would still print out the same thing. If this was my IQ, I would be dumb, even though it's literally like almost above 10. But anyways, the last thing is about a simple past statement. So if x greater than 10 pass, else print no it isn't ... This is just sarcasm, but no it isn't. But if I change this to 10, then it would pass, and nothing would happen. And that's pretty much it for if statements. Hopefully I will see you in the next video, and goodbye.